Welcome to our channel. You don't need a driving range to improve your golf game. These home practice methods develop skills in minimal space. Step 1. Create a putting station on carpet or a putting mat. Spend 15 minutes daily working on stroke mechanics, alignment, and distance control. Putting practice translates directly to lower scores. Step 2. Practice your grip repeatedly throughout the day. Proper grip becomes automatic through repetition. Keep a club accessible and grip it correctly whenever passing. Step 3. Work on your posture and set up in front of a mirror. Check alignment, ball position, and spine angle. Proper fundamentals at address are crucial for consistent striking. Step 4. Make slow-motion practice swings focusing on specific positions. Without a ball, you can concentrate entirely on mechanics, building muscle memory for proper movement patterns. Step 5. Use an impact bag or heavy pillow to develop proper compression and forward shaft lean at impact. Regular use develops correct impact position. Step 6. Practice with alignment sticks or yardsticks. Work on takeaway path, swing plane, and club positions without hitting balls. Step 7. Develop a flexibility and strength routine targeting golf-specific movements. Rotational exercises, core work, and stretching improve your physical capabilities. Step 8. Watch and analyze professional swings. Study fundamentals, observe efficient movement patterns, and visualize yourself executing proper technique. Step 9. Use golf training aids appropriate for home use. Weighted clubs, swing trainers, and grip trainers accelerate improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.